Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on Android. This is the screenshot settings. So let's get started. If you're new into the Android, a mobile phone, and sometimes you confuse how you can take a screenshot, it's very easy to do. So if you bought a new Android and have this feature, this is like toolbar, you can screenshot with this toolbar. It's very helping. So there's option in your settings, in your Android settings, how you can take screenshot in some way. So all you have to do is just type in the setting button or search filter in your settings option. Just type screenshot here. Sorry, screenshot. So this one, you can tap it. So there is a three ways on my Android device. It can be different on your device also, but in my device there are three ways to take a screenshot. The first one, take a full screenshot by three finger swipe down, touch and hold with three finger, and then power and volume down buttons take full screenshot. So there's also the tutorial here, but this is the tips. So the first, you can swipe down with three fingers, and then touch and hold with three fingers, and the last, touch and hold with three fingers and swipe to the bottom edge to scrolling screenshot. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe the next button below. See you in the next video.